O wild westwood, thou, breath of autumn's being, thou, from whose unseen presence the leaves dead are driven like ghosts, from enchanter fleeing, yellow and black and pale and hectic red, pestilence-stricken multitudes, O thou who chariotest to their dark wintry bed.
The winged seeds were they lie cold and low, each like a corpse within its grave, until time as her sister the spring shall blow her glory o'er the dreaming earth and fill driving sweet buds like flock to feed in air with living moss and odor clean and pale.
Wild spirit, which art moving everywhere, destroyer and preserver, hear, O hear, thou on whose stream, mid the steep sky's commotion, loose clouds like earth's decaying leaves are shed, shook from the tangled boughs of heaven and ocean.
Angels of rain and lightning, that are spread on the blue surface of thine airy surge, like the bright hair uplifted from the head of some fierce maenad. Even from the dim verge of the horizon to the zenith's height, the locks of the approaching storm.
Of the dying year, to which this closing night will be done of vast sepulture, vaulted with all thy concreted might, of vapors from whose solid atmosphere, black rain and fire, and hail will be burst, O hear!
Thou he didst waken from his summer dreams, the blue Mediterranean, where he lay, lulled by the coil of his crystalline screams, beside a pumice isle in Bayak's bay, and saw in sleep old places and towers quivering within the waves' intenser day.
All overgrown with azure moss and flowers, so sweet, the scents flames picturing them. Thou for whose path the Atlantic's level powers cleave themselves into chasms, while far below the sea blooms, and the oozy roots, which wear the sapliest foliage of the ocean, know
Die, voice, and suddenly grow grey with fear, and tremble and describe themselves. Oh, hear! If I were a dead leaf thou mightest spear, if I were a swift cloud to fly with thee, I wave to man beneath thy power and share.
The impulsive of thy strength only less free than thou, O uncontrollable. If even I were as in my boyhood, and could be the comrade of thy wanderings over heaven, as then when the outstripped thy skies with scarce seem a vision, I would ne'er have striven.
As thus with thee in prayer in my sore need, O lift me as wave, a leaf, a cloud. I fall upon the thorns of life, I bleed. A heavy weight of ours has chained and bound one too like thee, tameless and swift and proud.
Make me thy lyre, even as the forest is. What if my leaves are falling like its own? The tumult of thy mighty harmonies will take from both as if a somnol tone, sweet so in sadness. Be thou spirit fierce, my spirit, be thou me, impetuous one.
Drive my dead thoughts over the universe like withered leaves to quicken a new birth, and by the incarnation of this verse, scatter as from an unextinguished heart, ashes and sparks, my words among mankind, be through my lips to unawakened earth.
The trumpet of a prophecy, O wind, if winter comes, can spring be far behind?